Hi, this is Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and today I'm going to show you a 5-minute project to make for your mom, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. If you're running low on time, you can definitely skip this part. Just get your cleaned apples and stab your regular stick into the center. I'm using candy melts in bright white from Wilton, which just take a couple of minutes to melt in the microwave. Sprinkle your apples generously with some sanding sugar. And I really wanted to keep this design simple but bright and pretty, so I am keeping in theme with some daisies. Whenever I'm doing really small fondant details and I'm not going to be doing a lot of fondant work, I use that little foam mat so that I don't have to lay down any extra cornstarch. After I place on the flowers, I'm putting on some gold pearls in the center. If you don't have gold pearls, you could always just take a little bit of fondant and ball it up and put it in the center of your flower. What makes this process super expedient is the fact that you don't have to add anything to adhere your fondant details. The fondant presses really nicely into the setup chocolate. You can add as many or as little flowers as you would like. I'm just doing this all by what I think looks pretty. I'm replacing that boring liner with this really pretty polka dotted yellow liner, so it really goes well with the sprinkles and the daisy theme. And I am not lying when I tell you, you can achieve this in under 5 minutes. I have done a few of these apple tutorials and I've realized I haven't shown you what it looks like when it's all cut up. So obviously when you cut through it, there's still the core inside, so you do have to remove that. And don't remove the core prior to stabbing your apples with a stick, or else obviously they'll fall out. These are yummy and delicious. My daughter loves to eat them. Mother's Day is just around the corner, so it's time to stock up on some apples, candy melts, and fondant. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now I'm uploading daily at 6 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Bye!